Today we are talking about one of the most common organisms that I find when I roll over a log or lift up a board, and that is the woodlouse. Today on Nature Guy X46. So first off, woodlouse comes in many different common names, including pillbugs, roly-polies, sowbugs, doodlebugs, and potato bugs. These happen to be sowbugs instead of pillbugs or roly-polies, and you can tell because these guys actually have, let's see if I can get one up. I don't know if you can see it, but they have two little things at the end of the body that sort of resemble tails, and it's not really showing up. There it is, maybe. These guys are really cool. These are not insects. They're not a bug, even though we call them that. The names that I read off, the sowbug, the roly-poly, the doodlebug, the potato bug, those are all names from America, from the United States, but these guys live just about everywhere. They are not insects, as I've already mentioned. What they are is actually a type of crustacean. So these guys are related to crabs. They're related to lobster, and crayfish. So crab, shrimp, crayfish, and lobsters. And they're the only crustacean that has totally left water behind. Now, there are robber crabs, but they still have to, my understanding is they still have to go back to the water to release their eggs. So, not totally independent of water. These guys are. However, they do have to be kept moist. They like to hide under things to stay out of the sunlight. I have my room light off. Hopefully these guys will be okay. Or girls. They don't deposit, as I've already mentioned, these guys, of course, don't deposit their babies into water. More on that a little bit later. In case you're wondering, these don't bite at all. Lucky for me. They don't have pinchers either. They, unlike insects, which have sort of a waxy substance or keeps water from escaping all over the place, these guys don't, and that's why you'll see them underneath boards, so that doesn't happen. You'll find these guys often under decaying logs or in decaying logs, under boards, or anything else that they can get under to escape the sun. And the sun would pose a very real threat for these guys because they do dry up easily. They can be found on every continent except for Antarctica. There are around 3,500 species of woodlouse spread out across the globe. Some of these animals can roll up into a ball. These do not roll up into a ball. So these are what we call cell bugs. If you live in an area where you do have roly-polies, congratulations. They're awesome. I do want to talk a little bit about the females. Let's see if I'm thinking. Let's see. Females, pill bugs or sow bugs have a brooder pouch. Or a brood pouch. Darn it. You see that white, little flash of white right there? Right at the end of the body. That is where the brood pouch would be. And I'm not sure. Anyway, I have saw bugs all over me at the moment. Anyway, females lay their eggs in the brood pouch, and the eggs will stay there until they hatch. Oops, lost my camera. So once the eggs hatch, then the babies will stay in that pouch until they're ready to be on their own. Now mom will stay pretty close for a while, and then they will walk away from them. Moms typically have 25 little critters of their own. Oops, 24. These guys are going to feed on leaf litter, fungi, fallen fruits, dead animals, and even feces. So if that lovely little bit of tidbit, that lovely tidbit that I just gave you, we're going to end the video. But before I do, if you learned something from this video, give it a like. Subscribe if you're not. And click that notification bell so you know when, click that notification bell so you never miss another video. My next video is going to be on box elder, and it's going to be the medicinal and edible uses of the plant. So we've already talked about it as an organism, and now we're going to talk about it otherwise. So with that, goodbye. Guys, I found this right after I found the others. Remember I said that what I had was a sow bug. This, if I can figure out, this is actually a pill bug. And you can tell that it's a pill bug because he curls up into a ball. Now, it's not a complete ball, but there. Yep, that's a pill bug. Still a woodlouse, just not a sow bug. Okay. I just thought I'd